Welcome back. In this short lecture, I will discuss with you skill 4 from the reading section of the course. This skill is mainly about how to find unstated details in the passage. Unstated details here means details or answers that are not mentioned in the passage or not true according to the passage. This means that questions asking about unstated details have 4 answers. 3 of them are true or mentioned, and only 1 answer is not true or not mentioned, which is the best answer for such questions. In slide 2 we have a passage that is followed by 2 questions. Let's first read the passage and then answer the questions following it. In English, there are many different kinds of expressions that people use to give a name to anything whose name is unknown or momentarily forgotten. The word gadget is one such word. It was first used by British sailors in the 1850s and probably came from the French word gâchette, which was a small hook. In everyday use, the word has a more general meaning. Other words are also used to give a name to something unnamed or unknown, and these words tend to be somewhat imaginative. Some of the more commonly used expressions are what do you call it, what's this, a thingamabob, a thingamagic, a doodad, or a doohickey. The first question, which is based on what we have just read, is which of the following is not true about the word gadget? And we have 4 answers. These are: it is used to name something when the name is not known. It was used at the beginning of the 19th century. It most likely came from a word in the French language. Its first known use was by British sailors. As you notice here, answers A, C, and D are true according to the passage. Therefore, no one of them can be an answer to this question. Answer B is the best answer because it is mentioned in the passage that the first use of the word gadget was in the 1850s. That is in the middle of the 19th century, not at the beginning of this century as stated in this answer. So question or answer B is the best answer for this question. The second question is which of the following is not mentioned in the passage as an expression for something that is not known? The answers: first, a what is it? Second, a gadget. Third, a thingamabob. And fourth, a doohickey. As you see here, answer B and C and D are mentioned in the passage as expressions for something that is not known. The only answer that is not mentioned or not true is answer A, which is a what is it. Therefore, option A is the best answer for this question. In slide 5 here we have a chart that includes information about how to identify, how to recognize unstated detail questions, and where to find the answer, and how to answer the questions. By this we come to the end of this lecture. Thank you.